Are you looking for a subtle vehicle to get you from point A to point B? Keep scrolling, guys. This is the video for you. We have the 2026 GMC Sierra Elevation, and it's a rocky ridge. It's gonna have a lot of technology that I don't know about. That's why I grabbed an expert like John Ambrozic here.
Bri.
John, thanks for joining me today.
Yeah, no problem.
Together, we're gonna check this vehicle out. If you're interested in a new GMC vehicle, come check out our inventory online at smailgmc.com. Now, John, we've done a lot of Sierras over the years. This one might be the tallest.
Yeah, it's up there with the Harley truck.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, we did the Black Widow back a while back, but yeah, it's up there. Yep.
So we have blacked out features all over the place. We have blacked out tow hooks here in the front.
Yeah.
The rocky ridge is up on top of that windshield there.
Yep.
It's kind of like a shade up there. Coming around the side, we notice a lot of different badging up here.
You got the Rocky Ridge wheels, it has their logo in the center. You got the fender flares. You've got the BF Goodrich all-terrain TA tires. You have the steps here from Rocky Ridge. Gives you that lift. It gives you that lifted truck feel.
Yeah.
You've got the Rocky Ridge badging here on the back on the tailgate. On the front quarter panel there and right in front of the doors. The nice thing about this Elevation is that you're getting all that stuff, but not for, you know, those bigger truck money. Kind of a lift on a budget.
On the lower end of that.
Yeah. And the nice thing is too, you get all of the factory warranty, you get all of the factory rebates with these, you know, so it helps to offset some of the stuff that you are paying for.
Some of the things I'm noticing, this is lifted big time, right?
Yep, yeah. 6-inch lift on this, front and back. Yeah. A lot of people come in and go, oh, you know, I'm gonna do my own lift. And I mean, one of the nice things about having this done, speccing the truck out this way, having it done already professionally. Second thing is, you do the lift yourself, you're voiding all of your factory warranties. This is done in conjunction with General Motors, so you still retain all of your factory warranties with these, so that's a big plus.
And getting in, John, I'm noticing the Rocky Ridge all-weather mats down here, which are really nice. I think they're specially designed there. Look at the back of these seats, and you have that, you know, Rocky Ridge logo on there as well. Kind of reminds me of the Ultimate Warrior. Wrestling days.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, but yeah, definitely a gladiator type look there. Some other things that are big in here, if you look on the dash there, you see that Rocky Ridge on there as well.
Typically the Elevation, you can get them with a premium package, so you would get leather seats. This does not have the premium package, but it does have the Rocky Ridge leather seats, so you do get the leather seats in this where it would typically be cloth. So the other thing, Bri, with this one here, you do have the console safe in this, so it's Rocky Ridge branded console safe that you have in there. That's
really neat. So definitely you can store up any valuables or you know, anything in particular you'd want to store in there.
Yeah. And then the other thing you get is you do have a little bit of a light tint on the front windows. Yeah. So you get that also from...
Continues that murdered out look throughout the rest of the vehicle.
Yep.
John, we've been talking about the price of this truck this entire video, but what is the price? What are we dealing with here?
Yeah, so the factory MSRP on this is a little over $62,000.
Yeah.
With the lift, the wheels, and all the other accessories on the truck, you're looking at about $18,700. So it's bringing the price right up around $80,000. Okay. But like I said, you do get all of the factory rebates.
Yeah.
So again, it's going to bring the price of this truck down. You're going to be somewhere in the low to mid 70s.
So if you're looking for a lifted truck that's maybe a little bit more affordable for you, come check out this GMC Sierra. Check us out online at smailgmc.com or come see us off Route 30 in Greensburg. Until next time, guys, enjoy the ride.